Welcome to the OneBusiness ERP training video series. This video will guide you through handling the maintenance work permit transaction. To begin, click on the work permit tile. Then, let us take a closer look at the work permit transaction and how you can use it within the plant maintenance module to ensure the safe completion of maintenance tasks. Creating a work permit for every work order is highly recommended. A work permit guarantees the safety of employees by providing clearance for a specific maintenance job and serving as a safety checklist. On this page, you will find a list of all work permits, also known as a dashboard. This list page shows the work permit, equipment, description, work order number, status, and action block icons. You can filter the list by description, and by clicking on the I button, you can see the details of each work permit. Similarly, using the Edit button, you can modify the work permit information. Finally, users can click the View button to access a printable permit. To create a new work permit record, simply click the Add button. Next, fill in the page details and click Submit to create a new work permit. In summary, the purpose of the work permit is to ensure the safe completion of maintenance tasks. Primarily, the staff members use work permits as a safety checklist to obtain clearance for maintenance jobs. This essential procedure ensures that employees are protected from dangerous situations. Thank you for watching the tutorial video on work permits. This brings us to the end of the session.